Morning sunlight glows in the kitchen as Mother draws back the curtains, her lop-eared rabbit hopping alongside. The day begins with quiet comfort steaming coffee, gentle paw steps, and the soft hum of intention. Around the table, the couple studies the grocery list. The Corgi nestles in, and children's laughter adds warmth as they scribble meal ideas. Family and animals gather, filling the space with shared purpose. At the bustling store, man shops with his loyal Husky, weaving between lively aisles. A hamster peeks out from a child's hoodie, nibbling a carrot scrap, bright-eyed amid autumn's bounty. Back in the kitchen, Grandma teaches the children to knead dough, their hands dusted with flour. A chinchilla sits nearby, whiskers twitching, while the American Shorthair watches pies cooling by the window. The house transforms with candles, wreaths, and playful helper cool duck waddles with napkin rings. The Corgi offers gentle nudges, and autumn touches color each room. As preparations reach a joyful peak, the kitchen buzzes with teamwork. The Husky rests contentedly by the oven, soaking in the warmth. As evening settles, family and gentle animal companions gather around the table, sharing gratitude, comfort, and the promise of togetherness. Thanksgiving week, woven with love.